mean, this is one of the reasons I've been donating so much time to this White Elephant Pub. You see that up there on that sign? It says, Happy Birthday, United States Marine Corps. Now that's a little bit more important to me personally than Veterans Day tomorrow. It's their 248th birthday today, and these people are nice enough to celebrate it, along with many other restaurants along the Gulf Coast. But this particular place I like helping out because they do things like this. This is old Florida. They kind of honor everybody, and they're bringing back the beach blast to where you got music on the beach. You got your little bar that you come up to refill your sodas, and you're not supposed to take beers back out, but yeah, nobody's watching, right? I mean, we've all been doing it since we were kids. And I don't work here, so I can talk this. I'm just kind of volunteering my time and resources and helping them out, bringing back a little bit of old Florida. Because I like the things that they do, and this is one of the little things that they do that adds up to a big reason why I like helping this place out. Anyway, I'm going to cut this short because I just got distracted and forgot what I was saying, so I'm going to hope this youngster here hits that button.